Welcome to Easy Bankers. Today discuss about the joy of computing using Python Big 3 assignment number 3 solutions. So let's start. First one is C. Second one is once more here is my website and also provided here answers. So this link is in description, you can check now. So second one is A. Third one is also you can see third one is B. And fourth one is A, also same answers, and fifth one is B, sixth one is C, seventh is B, C, 8 is D. Once more you can check also errors. 8 one is D, that one is D, 9 one is B and C, 10th is D. So once more 10th D, 9 B C, 8 D, 7th C, 6 C, I forgot 6 C, 7 C, right? Here 2, 5 B, 4th A, 3rd B, 2 A, first is C. Okay, I'm also provided my website this link. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so let's enjoy. Thank you.